Why do you think 68% of Americans don't have an estate plan, and how do we change that mindset?
Why they don't have it, I think, is because they don't know. You don't know what you don't know, right? Like growing up, like if I know I'm at 53 years of age, I know a lot. I've lived through a lot. I've been through a lot. I've seen a lot, right? But at 18, you couldn't get me to sit down for 10 minutes because I didn't know what I didn't know. I was always in a hurry to try to go do it. So one, I think that one of the main reasons that people don't have a living trust is because they don't understand how important it is to protect the family and their kids. And I gotta tell you, the people that take quick action on a living trust is somebody that knew somebody that went to probate and that they suffered and they had to borrow money and they had to go through this probate process, because not only do you have to go to court, but then it takes anywhere from 12 to 18 months to get the money. How
Wow.
are you going to live without 18 months worth of money? I mean, today, the average person has less than 2 months worth of savings in their account.
Hmm.
So I think that what they don't, the reason I would say, if I had to pinpoint it, and out of the hundreds of customers that we've had and that we've seen, that the number one reason people don't have it is because they don't understand or don't know that a living trust is an important document that you have to have if you're a homeowner or you have kids. Those are the two reasons you have to have them. So if you don't have kids and you have a home, you should have a living trust. If you don't own a home, but you have young children, you should have a living trust to protect your kids in case something were to happen, keep them from going to social services if something were to happen.
Wow. Thank you. What specific steps should homeowners take today to protect their homes and their assets?
The step number one is going to be to get a living trust, right? That would be the step number one. And we recommend you go to estate.prep, that's estate.doc prep, like preparation, or use the number and you could make a one-on-one consultation that will be more than happy to assist you by calling 805 909 4689. If you have questions about, should I create a living trust? Can I do this? Can I do that? You can call that number 24 hours a day. And we have a artificial intelligence, AI, that can answer your questions 24 hours a day, every day, any day, all day, because it doesn't take any type of breaks or anything. Or you can actually ask them to set up an appointment and talk to me. It'll transfer you if it's within business hours and I'm available. It'll transfer you. If not, it'll book a call so I can answer any questions you may have depending on the state that you're in. Now, our living trust is a comprehensive legal document that's recognized by all 52 states. Our living trust is available and has been recognized by all states in America.